What will be the practitioner myth? Practitioners are basically those who write the program, who code the program. So those who are actually the coder or implementer, they also have certain myths. They say once we write the program and get it to work like this women is running, our job is done. They just start, or everyone thinks that okay, we have to make a program, just start coding. So if we start just coding or writing the program, they think that okay, our work will be done. But the concept of software engineering or this science, it's all about making a stout, strong, efficient software. So the industry data has told us that 60 to 80% of our effort of this coding and on all the allied work will be done only after you give the first deliverable to the customer, not before that. Now there is one more myth. Until I get the program running, I have no way of assessing its quality. That means if I don't have a perceivable, observable software in front of me, how can I check the quality? How can I assess or analyze the quality? But the reality is, it is not always that the program should be made to test the quality. There are number of ways. Always testing is not the way. So one of the most effective software quality assurance mechanism is technical review. Show the team that this what we are planning, this what we have made, this what we are modeled, this what we have designed, and all these software defects can be reviewed, can be classified, and can be removed earlier. One more myth is the only deliverable work product for a successful project is the working program. Okay, now this seems quite obvious. Yes, it has to be. But only deliverable is not your software. As software engineering has taken its roots in the software industry, because it is so important, the working program is one of the part. If you don't write software requirement specification, both the parties don't sign it. If you don't make the model properly, if the documents are not kept properly, there is not version control, there is not proper project plan. So these are all the work products. If all these are not being made, you will not have any kind of guidance. How are you going to make the software, support the software, maintain the software, deliver the software, change management? All these have to be done. One more practitioner myth is, this software engineering is a headache, because we have to create so many documentation, voluminous and unnecessary documentation, and ultimately it's slowing down the process of software development. But software engineering is not saying that you create volume of document. It's just saying that if you want to have a quality product, then, and if you want that the effort should be less in later part of your work or delivery or maintenance, etc., then you have to follow certain things. Quality will only be there if you follow the practice of software engineering properly.